Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today I've been sent in a lovely big parcel from one of you guys. Thank you so much. Let's see what we can restore, upcycle and resell in my eBay, Etsy, my whatnot and in my retail stores. There's a lovely note inside from Carol who says she's had a clear out and thought she would pass on these pieces to me. Thank you so much, Carol. I'm going into the bag that says vintage first off. This is a cool costume piece. I think it's a faux amber. It looks too smooth. It looks like it's been resin cast. And it's got a rose around it. Then we've got a tooth design on a bronze tone. These are cool beads. They look African. I think they might be made of clay. Let me know if you know, Carol. And then these look like recycled African glass beads up here as well. And they've been put onto a design with some seed beads. This one has some magnetic hematite, which I know because they stick together. This cool sort of oily peacock coating on them. And there are two of the wraparound magnetic style. One of them is broken, unfortunately. Some of the pieces just popped when I pulled them apart. Look at these cool ones here. Oh, look at these. This is fun. So this probably would have originally had one on every station. And I think there's some kind of resin. There's bits of shell inside, possibly power shell in there. Those are cool. So we could either stick something on every other one or we could take them off and repurpose them for something else. This one is cute. It's got some nice green glass beads. These look like they could be silver, although I think this chain was possibly stuck to the magnets. Possibly not silver. It's not magnetic actually, it does have the look of silver, so I'll have to test that one. Cute little sparkly pendant. I've never seen a horse on a hematite necklace before. Somebody will love that. This bag is marked broken. Let's see what's in here. These are vintage plastic beads that have lost their coating. Oh, we've had a few of these in lately with the sort of disco ball type beads on them. This is fun. It's lost the end of its clasp there, and I think it's probably lost too much plating, but I'll see once we tidied it up. Hard to tell what that is on the back. I thought it might be an S, but through the camera it looks like a W. I don't know. Now this looks like jade and it just needs restringing. Let's pop it on the gem tester. Yes, it's actually testing as jadeite, which is the more sought after variety of jade. So that's a lovely find. That just needs restringing. And I think this is probably a broken earring. So those individually could be made into earrings. And there's also a bag of loose beads. Let me tip these into a tray. Oh, this is a crafter's paradise. We've got some chandelier crystals. Look at that. Gorgeous. Some lovely foiled glass beads. I think these are a gemstone, although I'm not sure what they are. They look like travel sweets, especially the sort of slightly broken ones. Let's pop them on the gem tester. It's just above the glass, so could be glass or could they maybe be a citrine? Quite lemony yellow. There's an all-seeing eye or an evil eye, a nice glass one. More foiled glass. Oh, and more chandelier. Those are really cool. That's a lovely little crystal. These were probably a stretch bracelet. there's a silver tone chain and some lampwork beads as well. They're nice. Okay, before I get crafting, let's see if we've got another bag that we can open. Okay, I've got 3 more smaller donations that have come in from customers, so let's see what's in there too, and then I'll get crafting. We'll go for the littlest one first. See, we had to keep going because there were no butterflies in the last bag, I've just realised. But we've got a pair now. Look at these lovely earrings. And then we've got a necklace and earring set from Accessorize. So thank you very much for those. Now this little baggie says thank you on it, so I'm going to have to try and check with this customer whether they were for a donation or if she wanted me to do something in terms of repair. I can see that we've got some really nice freshwater pearls here, and on this tie round one there's a cute little acorn that looks and feels like it's probably silver, looks like an artisan piece, and then this one almost certainly is silver. A heart pendant. Yeah, there's a 925 mark in that one. And then we've got this little baggie here. It's a broken necklace with some glass beads. And these almost look like polymer clay, but I think they are some kind of stone that's been dyed to look like turquoise. Another one there, possibly howlite. This necklace is so cool. It's unfortunately in pieces and there's quite a few loose beads. They look like tumbled sea glass, but they're actually plastic. So we'll make something fun with those. Some faux pearl beads, they're pretty colours. And a stretch that's lost its stretch. Some gorgeous teal glass beads. There's a loose plastic bead here, and then that just needs a restring. And a little baggie here. This bag must have come in from a customer because I remember making these earrings. These were upcycled from something else. So I'll just swap the hooks and those will go back out for resale in the summer. And then there are these gold tone hoops. They look like they could be silver on the poster, so I will test those. Thank you so much to my donators for these lovely materials. I can't wait to make more with them. If you are new here to the channel, please do check out the rest of the channel. There's loads of thrift haul videos, more unbaggings like this, upcycling projects, and all sorts. There's also a behind the scenes area. You can come and join our lovely growing channel membership, so check that out too. Hit the like for me, the subscribe of course, and the hype. Watch another video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.